Yeah, that's the name.
We are the original, silly little YouTube channel on your internet machine. The best you've ever seen. Hit that like button now. Subscribe for a while. Comment what you think is true. Join our members crew. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt. On the wall by the road, you'll be a part of our family. No religion talk, no politics here, no controversial junk, no fear, no outlandish stuff, no way, just good vibes every single day. Don't need no inappropriate conduct here. No time for stupidity. And always try to have a good time and make yourself happy while doing something day you can smile about tomorrow. Only $4.99 a month. That's a steal, that's a stunt.
There's just something about a Fox body, you gotta like it.
I might see if Carmen can go.
Yeah?
I don't know, I found out Carmen's never left North Carolina other than just touching into Virginia. Never. I told her, I said, if I knew about this thing, I would have checked if y'all invited you. She goes, yeah, but you didn't. Now did you?
To be fair, you forgot about it. All you had to do was speak up. Versus a 9. A 9.6 or 9.5.
I'm pretty sure the guy messed with him.
I think he was messing with him just to tickle, because you could hear up, 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 up. Not saying I would do that to you, but you remember that time you beat me in a race? Me neither. Get better.
I beat you in go-kart.
No, you did not.
Not today, but when we went to that big place.
Yeah, because I got hit.
I beat you then.
Because I got hit.
Don't matter if you got hit or not.
A win's a win.
Exactly.
Even if you didn't know you were racing, a win's a win. On Mustang action. Just so you know, the one in the right lane, we might be getting one.
A Shelby?
A GT.
I thought you said that was a Shelby.
The right lane for us. I don't think that was a Shelby. That one might be a dark horse.
I was about to say, where we get that money? Because I don't see it.
That's the point. You don't see it because you don't show up. To an 11.6. He said, I ain't spending all this money and losing to a SN95. Granted, I don't blame him.
From Mike? Doesn't Mike have one of those?
He's got a V6
So
one.
you're gonna get, we're gonna get, what are we getting?
A GT.
Huh.
5-speed. Wrecked. More than we gave for 3 of our Camaros.
Were we gonna make that a drag car?
Nope.
Burnout car?
Nope.
Drift car?
Nope. Potentially pull it out, put it in the F100.
F100? Starts with an F. You know what else starts with an F and ends with a T?
Fart. If you fart, I'm hitting you.
No. It's a longer word by 6 or 7 letters.
Don't you say it. It's just what you like, but don't you say it.
Wow, wow.
Oh man, I should have asked him to get my 7 to a 9.
Something mile per hour. 94.
94. There was a bouncing. Booty keep bumping. Yetis keep bouncing. Body rolling round and round.
Or somebody let me drive their car.
I wonder if I can gaslight somebody and let me drive it on the burnout pit. Oh no, S10. Red lip, we ran a 796 to a 10.
I wouldn't have let it spot its foot go out either.
Motorcycle's gonna try it again.
I want to do good.
It's not doing right off takeoff. There it went.
There's some interesting creatures out here. You see right there? He doesn't have a helmet.
You don't have to have it if you ain't so fast.
Soft top.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, he didn't do that bad.
What's that one? That BMW X5 on an S5.
Dude, here got a hell of a barracuda, buddy.
Right here. Right? Yeah.
I thought that was a soft top. Never mind.
That's exceed.
$116.99.
Yeah, you almost broke 5 earlier, didn't you? Yeah, I think so.
No doubt. Straight up.
Pretty sure that guy's around for a family, and his shirt says I eat Gucci for professional. See, know, I got that shirt that says I eat pussy like a fat kid eats cake. But you think I wear that around her family? Oh my God. What's that number up there?
42. See what the old Beamer got now. At 81. 88 at 81.
I like this place, but they're yeah.
There's a redneck there.
I thought we're the highest level rednecks, but there's levels to this.
I mean, we don't hold a candle to these people. Well, you'll get up here to see the squatted truck.
Yeah, I saw it.
It's right there.
Oh,
It's not close, it's an ass.
we are in Florida, buddy. Have you seen the people in North Carolina?
You're over this island.
I don't know anything to break. Trust me, I just watched him take his stuff out of the bed of the truck. Yeah, he had stuff out of the bed of the truck. Of course you like it.
No, I don't like Ford.
You just said it was a nice truck.
It's an old used truck. Somebody ran it before. That's all I'm saying.
I've never had this hard to win a race so bad in my life. Yeah. They said no, he had to take the step ladder out of the race. It says on the rules, driving a truck on the track, you gotta have the bed hidden.
Well, I'm willing
And
to
he
bet.
had the step ladders in the bed of his truck.
He's probably 3'2", takes it up the butt and continues to come out here.
You're talking a lot of shit for somebody who's 12 hours from home and a long way from Adam. I thought I knew put a turbo in that. Drive around town.
Here comes the truck.
Oh, hold on, gotta watch the green truck. Focused on the truck. The truck versus the SN95. The truck loses. Might break, you never know, he might break. said they need to shift faster. That's the problem I'm seeing. There's some of these cars, like that damn Cuda. Fast.
It is.
Custom said Mustang will kill anything because they'll hit it. Alex said 13 and 28. Logan said, doesn't the railroad use Fords? How's that Ford working out for you?
Yeah. It's still in the shop.
30,000 miles and had to have a new motor put in it?
Yeah, 24,000. They had to have a new motor, and I'm not for sure it needs one now.
That purple Cuda. Fucker's fast.
All right, Ryan, this is for you.
Yes, there's been plenty of 7s. A few 6.0s. They've almost been 5s.
Yeah, that was the Barracuda that almost hit 5. Barracuda.
Hemi Cuda. I hope he does not break anything. I really
do too. That's an
But as
expensive
much as he's
vehicle.
been spinning, if he catches traction, there ain't no telling.
I hope somebody told him, gave him a warning.
I'm sure he's going to learn the hard way.
Thank you for watching our video. We hope to see you tomorrow for another episode of Never Done Projects. Remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share with a friend. And tell them if these idiots can do it, we can too.